It's Crockpot brownies. Keep the word crock in there. They're not...
Is this my face?
Crockpot, brownie, butterscotch, peanut butter, chocolate, whipped cream, pudding!
Oh, you bastard!
I'm not allowed to tell you the brand name of the brownie mix, so let's just say it's really good. All right, I can't tell you the brand name. So let me check and see if I have everything here. What?
Comedy Kitchen with Chef Sel was recorded in front of a fake audience.
Hey guys, Chef Sel right here. Hello there, YouTube, and hello, Instagram, and hello, Facebook, and everything else that I'm on. Listen, this is Chef Sel. It's February, and I have to tell you, I'm proud of every single one of you. You made it through the cookies and the cakes of Christmas and the holidays. You made it through the booze of New Year's. You made it through the wings and whatever the hell else you ate on Super Bowl Sunday. So congratulate yourselves. But now, it's time to get back to eating reality. No. It's time. So today I'm going to show you how to make Crockpot, brownie, butterscotch, peanut butter, chocolate, whipped cream, pudding.
Oh, you bastard!
Don't listen to him. I'm not allowed to tell you the brand name of the brownie mix, so let's just say it's really good. All right, I can't tell you the brand name. So let me check and see if I have everything here. What? So I have the brownies in here. I made a batch. I don't know if you can see. I just cut them up into squares, like 1 inch, 2 inch by 2 inch, something like that. See, I cut them into squares. What I'm gonna basically do is I'm gonna pour a delicious conglomeration of stuff like cream and chocolate syrup and things and meltable butterscotch. I'm gonna go through it. I can't. All right, I have to calm down. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We have all of our wet ingredients here, all right? And a couple of our little, we'll call them meltable toppings. And in here I have my powders, okay? So I'm gonna put this on just for a little bit. We have about a quarter of a cup of finely packed brown sugar. You can use dark or light, it doesn't matter. 1 cup of white sugar, which is right here. And cocoa, powdered cocoa, whatever you can find is fine. And I just want to break it up. Sometimes it clumps up, right? So let me break this up. So that's kind of broken up and mixed, okay, all those powders. Like I said, I have the brownies here. So on top of these brownies, we have about, I don't know, 1/2 to 1/4 of a cup of butterscotch pieces. God, this is crazy. It really is crazy. Let's put them in there. Yeah, say just sprinkle them around. I have some walnuts, 1/2 a cup, chopped walnuts. In, boom, right like that, thing there, thing like that, thing. Bittersweet, semi-sweet, you can use milk chocolate, you can use dark chocolate. This happens to be 60% Ghirardelli. I'm gonna sprinkle these up. We're not gonna mix it around. I don't want to disturb the brownies. We're not gonna mix it up. We're just gonna do this kind of thing here. Excellent. All right, next step. In here, I have lots and lots of delicious things. We got some 1/2 and 1/2. You could play with this. You can do twice the amount of this and that. It really doesn't matter. Keep the liquid about the same because you don't want these brownies to be drowning in this stuff either, okay? And you're gonna put it in this crock pot. Now, by the way, crock pot. It's Crockpot brownies. Keep the word crock in there. They're not...
Is this my face?
So here, getting back to this, I have a cup of 1/2 and 1/2. I have 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla, half a cup of strong coffee left over from this morning, a little bit of peanut butter I'm going to throw in there too while it's going. I don't know, 3 and heavy cream, quarter a cup of that, and I have 3 or 4 eggs, whatever you want to use. Just don't use 2. 3 or 4 is fine. So now I'm going to put these in here as it's going. I have the whisk attachment because I want some air to be in it. I want this thing to fluff up like hell when it's freaking baking. 3 or 4 hours on low on those crock pots, folks, or slow cookers, as they now say. Looking good. Gonna move it up. All right, she's been going. I moved it slowly up to high from medium over the course of like 2 to 4 minutes. Now it's frothy. I mean, the stuff in here, I mean, it's almost like a milkshake. You can drink that if you want. Matter of fact, just drink it and forget about the whole thing. Just drink it. Anyway, not much to show you here, but I'm just gonna kind of say, it looks like a milkshake, to be honest with you. All right, pour. Before we pour, I'm gonna add some salted caramel sauce, and you can do that. You can do chocolate syrup. You can do fudge, whatever you want. I'm telling you. And you need to see this go in. I moved that so you can see this going in. How much am I putting? Oh God. Oh God. I don't know. I'm making 8s. I'm making figure 8s. All right, about a quarter. Quarter cup is fine. Half a cup, quarter cup. I don't know what it is. It's just ridiculous. That's all. And I'm pouring this mixture now right over. Okay. Now, careful when you pour it because you don't want it to be soup. So. And it is going to take a little bit of time for the brownies to absorb all this pudding mix, if you will. So I'm just pouring this in, and it looks like I made just the right amount, just the right amount. Okay. Yes, so it's all being absorbed by those delicious brownies. Now, like I said, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put this caddy right into there. Can you see it? No, you can't. I'm going to show you. Hey, it's only a cell phone, folks, all right? So relax. See? Put it on low. And I'm going to check it in about 2 or 3 hours. It has to be like a pudding, so you're going to check it just like you would a cake, a pudding cake, if you will. It's just unbelievable. It's in here. I don't know if you can see it. It's really, really hot. It's been on low, but still, it's been on for about 3 or 4 hours. I mean, the liquid that stayed formed like a chocolate butterscotch sauce. Show it to you here. I'm going to take some of the sauce and just put it over the top. Oh, God. I'm going to take a couple more of these butterscotch thingies. You know, I might as well, right? See? I'm going to put that on top. What else do we have? Vanilla ice cream. Let's put that on top. I made some pretty cool whipped cream. Here it is, folks. Yeah, I know. Look at that. Whew. Fresh out of the crock pot. It's a 3-hour slow cooker. Chocolate, brownie, butterscotch, whipped cream, peanut butter there. There's a little peanut butter in there with ice cream stuff. I don't know, whatever. Instagram time.
Jesus Christ, what already?
Anyway, I'm Chef Sal, right over here. Please subscribe. Come to Facebook. I'll see you at the Oscars.